I'm here in Slikhaar Studio, our hair salon, and today I'm going to share with you one of my styling secrets. It's about how to get a careless hairstyle, but you really put some effort into it. I'm gonna use one of my favorite products, the Sidekick pre-styling spray from Vilain. Before that, I'm probably gonna apply one of my favorite hair waxes. Stay tuned. To start out, I just washed my hair and it actually dried up like it naturally would. Normally it would be an advantage to soak it all up. First, I'm gonna start to apply some water, and this is a water spray freestyler from Vilain. Now I have water in my hair and you can see the separation and texture, so that's what I want. So when I'm going to apply the Sidekick, I'm gonna pump it into my hands and then I'm gonna apply it like a wax. Then I'm sure that the Sidekick will stick to these definitions and these textures, so it will just be enhanced even more. I'm not working it in too much because I only want it to stick to the top of this texture that I built with the water. You can already see I'm getting more of the separation and texture, and that's what I'm going for here in this hairstyle. Because I don't have too much time and I really want to have a little bit more of a control in this unmanaged hairstyle, I'm probably gonna use my hand to create more of this messy texture, and the comb, it will make it too static. As always, remember when you blow dry not to forget the back. It's very easy to forget a spot that will be left wet and look like it's unstyled. It's time to find out how to style the hair. I could go for both, you know, the mid part, and I could go for comb to the side, backwards, and I'm gonna play around a little bit. I'm gonna apply 5 more pumps. I think we are on a total of 10-15 at the moment. 1, 2, 3, 4 pumps. And then we're gonna get it not in the banks, but we're just moving from the center into the front. See how we create this type of texture. Ooh, yeah. And the more I will comb back my hair with my hands, the more texture I'll get the natural waves. And this reminds me of one of my favorite hairstyles, which is from the old footballer David Beckham, the big fashion icon. Now I'm going to apply one of my favorite waxes. I was about to take the Wrecking Ball by Vilain. It's a limited edition, but since it's sold out, I'm gonna apply the DYNAMITE clay. And now for the application. This is a clay wax, so it needs to be heated up even more than our mud waxes. I'm gonna apply it from the center to the front, and then I'm gonna use the last part to put back on the sides. And this is a trick. If you just rub it sideways, you can create more texture. To get that untamed look, I'm gonna use the blow dryer, cold setting, full speed, and then blow dry it through. This is probably how it will look after a run, or at least some wind in the hair. And when you restyle it, you get more of these separations. You can see on the top, in the center, there's a lot of separation going on. You have a little flyaway in the banks. Wow. So this is my careless look. We can play a lot around with it, and I can get a lot of different shapes. But in general, this is how you create the careless look. Ready to rock on the beach, on the club, even at work, school. It's just a matter of having a suitable haircut. All right, guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this careless look more hairstyle. As always, remember to write in the comment section down below what you think about the video. Like and subscribe, and you can be a part of the secret giveaway. We'll find a winner next episode. See you guys. I don't know how much I'm gonna spend.
Done.
All right. Whoa.